My name is Destiney Huntley. I am a student specialist at Highland Elementary School. Well, I started in an aquaponics class, and we had the opportunity to do tours around our school with different students from different elementary schools. And then I started wanting to look more into teaching. I actually found a passion for it. So I asked Mr. Miller at my school if there was any opportunities, and then I got involved with Cress and Mrs. Lund. I found out so much. I went to a lot of different interviews and sessions where they talked about different opportunities for teachers. And then that led me to getting involved with Shippensburg and going through an education class. Being a student specialist means the world to me, honestly. This job is my life. It's all I talk about. It's all I think about. I tell everyone about it. It's very important to me. I get to come here during my school day. So I take a few classes at Cedar Cliff, and then around 11:15ish, I get to come here and work with the kids. It's really important. It makes such a lasting impact. And then I see them in public and they're so excited to see me. I get to meet their families. It's everything. In the classroom on a daily, I help clean things up. I teach students. Sometimes I work with them in groups on my own. So we do 15-minute intervals. I have 4 groups in total. There's about 5 to 6 kids in each group. And I work with them on reading assignments. So we get in our book, it's called the Know It, Show It book, and we go over different things. I also do recess duty. Around 12:10 to 12:15, I go downstairs and I help CAP or kindergarten get lined up for recess, get their coats on, their jackets, get their waters, and we head outside. Interacting with the kids, I think they're really funny and you learn so much. You wouldn't realize how different they are, and there's so much more to learn about kids. There's no kid that's the same. That's my favorite. This position really does a lot. It helps shape you, it keeps you disciplined, it keeps you really good on time. If you struggle with time management like I do at times, this really helps you to be disciplined and responsible. I'll take everything out of this experience, specifically the teaching abilities that Miss Derrickson has. I coach youth cheerleading, so when I have to discipline my own younger cheerleaders, the things that she does, that she's taught me, have really helped me do so.
Hi, I'm Erin Derrickson, and I teach 3rd grade at Highland Elementary. Having a student specialist has meant the world to me. My student specialist comes in and works with students. She also is a huge part of our classroom community, getting the kids acclimated to routines. I love having a student that's a senior who wants to go into education, and having her be able to come in and work with the students one-on-one has been wonderful. I think Destiney works very well with students. She truly has a gift. And I can't wait to see her become an educator and come back and visit us here at Highland Elementary.
I will be going to Shippensburg University next year, and then I want to get my master's degree. Hopefully in 4 years or so, I can come back here and teach them.